It's a 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan. Versatile, smart, and full of surprises, this Grand Caravan is the perfect get-it-done machine for any family. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: auxiliary audio input, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, power sliding left and right rear passenger door, power adjustable pedals, multi-speed automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. New car test drive rights, the Dodge Grand Caravan offers amazing versatility with one of the most convenient cabins in its class. The flexible seating, abundance of storage space, and impressive entertainment options can make life easier for busy owners. Can a vehicle be daring yet sensible? Yes, it's a Dodge. Experience it for yourself today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.